Караме в момента от средата на Сан Франциско и скараме по Буш Стрит. Може да видите, това са викториански къщи в Сан Франциско. В тази част на града се казва Pacific Heights фактически. So we're gonna make a turn. Oh, do you want, there is, I don't know if you, have you ever had a, oh come on, Philly cheesesteak? Have you had Philly cheesesteak?
Talking to me?
Yeah,
Philly cheesecake.
Philly cheesesteak, steak sandwich.
Yeah.
They make very good Philly cheesesteak, but we'll skip the Philly cheesesteak. I think maybe another
Désolé.
time.
Sorry.
No, it's,
I was in my dreams.
oh, were you? That's good.
Jesus saves. Saves what?
I made a wrong turn. Yeah, let's just see. Where am I gonna go here? We'll go this way. I had an apartment. Not mine, but I mean, just rental. Just around the corner. So this is really Pacific Heights, and it's you know, very nice old Victorian buildings. Very pretty. Very expensive. Look at the detail on that one.
Little bit kitsch for me.
Yeah, it's a specific style.
Like in Disneyland.
It's a nice little park here. Yeah, I kind of like those, you know, the Victorians. They're very beautiful. They're high ceiling inside and lots of detail. So it's kind of nice. I'll show you the building where my boss, well not my boss, but my investor lives. One of them. This is a very expensive apartment building. Oh, wait a minute. There was down the street, there's the house where Miss Doubtfire was.
Movie.
Yeah, the movie, yeah. There's a lot of movies that I make here. They're fixing the streets, and the streets are currently horrible. I don't know whether they're making some new cable or some, what they're doing. It's kind of a nicer area. So this is the building of the Gagman. This right here, right here.
Ah, ok.
This is my investor.
Oula, non?
And
La vache.
there's, I know a couple of doctors that live up here that are open heart surgeons. And this house with the green, or the one right after, is where the drummer of Metallica lives.
Ah, ok.
There's lots of construction here. some interesting buildings. You know? They get a little bigger here.
They're so different.
Isn't it?
Yeah, they're so different each other.
Look at this one right here, the ultra modern.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah,
Oh.
I love that house. That's the house of Dr. Hanna. He has a big winery, and this used to be a fire department house. And you see his cars. That's actually Dr. Hanna over there with the white hair.
Dr. Hanna?
Hanna, he's an open heart surgeon. My wife used to work with him. And,
Famous?
he is, yeah, he's very famous. He's very famous.